Alright guys, we are here today at 10065 East Thunderbolt Avenue. As you can see, we're going to go ahead and start inside of the home today. You can also see out back, we do still have the backyard being put in and a little bit of work out front. Something to keep in mind is this is a brand new home. So it's not remodeled, it's not updated, it is brand new. So, nobody has ever lived here before. So, this is a great opportunity, to get something that is brand spanking new. So, as you can see, this is the front door right behind us. At the end of the video, I will stitch in a quick video of the front. And then we also have a bunch of pictures of the front. And then as soon as the backyard is finished, we'll get those uploaded as well for you guys. So we will go ahead and start inside today. As you can see, right off the main hall, we have a bedroom right at the front. And you can see this room is huge. I don't know if I've ever seen a bedroom with 4 windows. Maybe you guys have, but I know I sure have not. And this is a perfect bedroom. Of course, fresh paint, fresh carpet, awesome ceiling fan up there, huge closet over there as well. So, this home is brand new, like I said. So, all of these finishes, again, of course, are going to be high-end, custom, awesome finishes. And then you can see a beautiful guest bath over here with your nice shower tub combo. And then the beautiful vanity as well. I love the dark cabinets that they went with in this home. And then all of the white as well as the black finishes. This home looks perfect. And then again, another bedroom over here off the main entry as well. Nice big window, of course, your ceiling fan. And then another huge closet over there as well. So you can see right off the front door, which is right there, you're going to have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom right tucked away in this little nook here. And then we'll step into easily my favorite part of the home, which is this massive living area. Look at this, guys. This is insane. And then, of course, this beautiful kitchen over here. Again, they carried all the dark cabinetry with the beautiful white and then the black finishes and these awesome countertops in here as well. It's like a dark grayish color. It looks amazing. And you can see, this home is a very nice size. It's very large. If you have, lots of friends and family, that's not going to be an issue. Especially this main living area is probably the biggest I've ever seen in my life. Which again, we'll take a quick step all the way over here. As you can see out back, we still have that getting put in. And you can see, just all the natural light that comes flooding in through all of these windows. So, this home is awesome. Another little nook area that's also connected to the kitchen. So not only does it flow really well, but you get tons of extra cabinet space as well as a little nook right there. But we'll revisit that towards the end of the video. Take a quick walk through your little kitchen walkway area. A nice gas stovetop and a huge, I believe it's called a farm kitchen sink, but the massive tub here in the middle. And then again, imagine you're cooking dinner, you got your TV set up over there. This is a dream home for sure. And then of course, right off of your kitchen, you're going to have a huge pantry with floor to ceiling shelves. And then of course your fridge. Something else I want to point out is all of these appliances will stay. So the microwave, the fridge, all of those things are going to be provided with the home. So it's not something you need to worry about, bringing in or any additional costs, anything like that. And then tucked away behind the kitchen, you're going to have your washer and dryer or your laundry room, whatever you'd like to call it. As you can see, there's a ton of space in here. So you easily put some shelving in there and just have a massive storage area, as well as a storage area right next door. So that's your laundry room and then another closet over here. And then let's step out into your 2-car garage, which you can see brand new again, just like the rest of the home. step back this way and we will go towards your primary bedroom. So again, one thing I just want to point out is these huge sliding windows. I know you guys have already seen them, but those are awesome. Imagine them, all the way opened up when it's nice out, beautiful weather, maybe like, grilling out in the backyard. It is perfect outside right now. And then a massive primary bed in here. And of course, two very, very large windows, your ceiling fan up top. Take a quick step this way. And then you're going to have a really, really cool bathroom over here. So you're going to have a beautiful step-in shower. And then a massive dual vanity over here. Which again, the dark cabinetry with the light finishes and then the black sinks themselves, or the faucets you could say, look sensational. Over here, nice big window as well. And then a massive primary closet as well. So you can see, when you can step all the way over here. This is one of those things where the camera doesn't really do it justice, but just take my word for it that this closet is very, very large. So that's going to be about it for the tour of this home, guys. Like I said, this home is brand spanking new. There will be an awesome backyard put in as well as some finishing touches out at the front of the home as well. So make sure to check back if this video is not updated. We should have some brand new pictures up for you guys as well to really get a full feel of the home. And then if you want to, come see the home for yourself, you want to apply, you have any questions, you can do all of that through our website, which is rpmphoenixvalley.com. Thank you guys for touring with me.